Hey guys, how y'all doing? Have you ever got a puppy and started doing something that was very helpful in the beginning, then after a while you don't really need to do that, but you continue doing it for 130 days? You might ask yourself, what is that? Well, I'm fixing to tell you. I am down here with my puppy Kit. We're almost done training, and we got just a little bit more to go. And once we get done, I will explain what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, we're done. Now we're going to do some grass time to do the video. I would do the video as I'm training, but he needs my full concentration when I'm doing the training and the walking. What we do is I walk and train at the same time. That way he gets his walk in, I'll get my walk in because I'm a walker. All right, guys. Just like most people, when they get a new puppy, don't touch that. They basically, right away, start the training method. So from day one, I basically started him on the training to use the bathroom outside. Also, decided to go ahead and pretty much start doing other training methods like, you know, to me, come to me. So the training started off right off the bat from day one. All right, guys, sorry, my mind wasn't with it there for a second. Now I'm back on my game. So day two, I decided. I looked over at my wife, I said, I got a bright idea. She's like, what's that? I was like, I'm gonna mark down how many times I take him out a day. I'm also gonna mark down how many times he has a poo a day. I'm also gonna mark down all the times he goes for an outing. I mean, it could be a ride in a car or whatever. I'm also gonna keep track of all the training methods and how he did for that day. Guys, that was 130 days ago. I haven't stopped yet. I don't really need to do most of this today, but I still do it. Let's jump to the future. Let's jump to my future and let me show you something. I see you when you get back. Welcome to the future. As you see, I got paper after paper after paper for 130 days worth. 130 days I've been keeping track of my puppy. 130 days worth right here. Now, I don't know if I'm ever going to stop. I don't know. I just can't seem to bring myself. I can't bring myself to stop right now. All right, guys, let's go back to my past. It is right now 7:14 of the evening. I'm going to take you back to about 1:15 in the afternoon. I see you back in the past. Welcome back. You just came from my future. I hope I'm doing fine. As you can see, I get about 5 days on each paper, and I mark it down how many times he goes out. I mark it down how many times he goes poo and what time he poos. I mark it down for every outing. I also mark it down every time I train him and every time I walk him, and I even give him a grade, and I even put down the places we go. I just keep track of all this stuff. I don't need to do all that today. The only thing I really need to do today is just, you know, basically mark his training method. That's it. Am I ever going to stop the other part of it? I don't know. There's something about me, I don't know if you all know this, for my longtime subscribers, you kind of know. I don't know if there's a name for this, maybe OCD, I don't know, but when I get into a rhythm of something, I don't break it that easy. No, I don't. I made a video back some time ago how I make my tea. I would literally swish the tea bags in the water. I think it was for 5 minutes over the heat. I made that video back some time ago. I don't do that nowadays because when I hurt my leg, I couldn't stand over the stove for 5 minutes swishing my tea bags. So now I do it the way I wish I would have done it before. It's a heck of a lot easier, and it does the same thing. Of course, my wife and my kids kept telling me it would, and I was like, no, the tea won't be strong enough. Well, I was wrong. Yeah, that happens a lot. So yeah, I've been keeping track of my puppy and his workouts and his times he goes out and how many times he poos a day and what times he poo. I've been doing this for 130 days. I started the very next day after I got him. I even put on some of it the weather too. If it's rainy, cloudy, cold, I put all that down on there as well. Yeah. Today, I literally keep a track book of my dog. I'm up to about 20 to 22 times a day taking them out. Sometimes I only have to take them out 16. It really depends on how long of an outing he has. The longer outings he has, which pretty much is mainly on the weekends. Remember the times I take him out the less, because he could be outside anywhere from many hours with us. So guys, that's what I've been doing for 130 days. Leave me down in comments, please. Is that over excessive? I mean, is that even normal? I don't know about it being normal, but I can tell you this now. I don't see myself stop anytime soon. No. So the moment we get home, after a while, we got to be somewhere here in the next 10 minutes. But the moment we get home later on, I will mark down what he did on his training and I give him a grade. I will also mark down the outing, which is coming down here as an outing. And I'll also mark down if he has a bowel movement before we get home. Yeah. All right, guys, till next time, thanks for watching. And we'll catch you in the next couple of days, or maybe even sooner. All right, come on, let's get out of here.